How many versions of that file do you have that you've been editing? 3, 5, 10? How many times has it been emailed back and forth with the word copy or final or version 1, version 6? Stop doing that. There's a better way. I'm Joseph Markovich from JCMA, and I am going to show you how to use OneDrive to turn your life around.
We've all seen this everywhere. We're working on a document, we make a change, we make a copy of it. So here's the first document, here was final, and then here was more edit, so now it's really final. And then there's another one that's just dated 11/1. So is that the final? So all of this is unnecessary now with OneDrive, and OneDrive is part of your Microsoft 365 subscription. Instead of all these copies of files, you have one file, and a nifty feature that's part of OneDrive is the version history. So as you work on your documents, or it could be an Illustrator file, it could be a Photoshop file, as you work on things, when you save, it automatically creates a copy of the file and just saves it within the document. So there, the example here is this file right here in Windows Explorer. If you right click on it, there you have a menu option now called version history, and you click that and you see here there are two versions of this document. There's the most recent, and then as it goes down, it goes from newest to oldest. Here was 17 hours ago, I made a modification. If you hit the dots, you have the option of restore it, download it, or delete that version. When you're working with an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, a PowerPoint file, there's also one other great way to see everything that's happening. If you open it up, so we're going to use this Word document to open it up. It'll take a second. So in this document here, I made a change and I put this red text called "These are my changes." Up in the title bar at the top here, if you click on it, there is this option here called version history now. And you hit that, and this is all the version history of that document right now. So we're looking at the modified one, the changes one, that's why the pencil's here. But this one is the version from yesterday. And what you can actually do is you can open the version right from Word, and you notice here now, this is version 1. And in the top title bar, it also changes it to be version 1 and the date from when it was modified. So this is a very, very nifty way that you have one document, and anytime you make a save and anytime you make a change, it's going to make another version, and then you're able to go back in history or back in time and see what was the actual changes. So this is a nifty feature. It's really, really powerful, and it's really, really cool.
Wow. Did you see that? Was your mind blown? My mind was blown. That is the amazingness that comes with OneDrive. So stop doing the file save as, stop all the file copies, one file, all the versions with it, absolute amazingness. I told you I was going to change your life, right? So I will see you next time.